Hello everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Buckaroo Designs, and I am excited to show you my first August to Go class. This class features the Broadway birthday bundle. I know you have seen it. If you have seen the catalog, it pops out and is just super popular. Everyone seems to really like it. This class is birthday themed. So we've got 3 over-the-top fancy birthday cards. We've got an explosion box, which has something really fun inside. You'll have to wait to see. And a Kit Kat holder. This is like a candygram. It holds a Kit Kat and opens up and holds a message. So this is really fun. We used to do candygrams when I was a kid. All right, so this class to go is a class delivered to your mailbox. It includes all 5 make and takes, cut, scored, prepped, ready for you to stamp and to use your framelits. There are 4 options for this class, okay? The first option is for those of you that don't already own the Broadway birthday bundle. When you order option number 1, you're going to receive the photopolymer birthday set, the awesome coordinating framelits, and a bolt of this gorgeous new black satin ribbon. And the thing that I love about this ribbon is that not only is it beautiful on our projects, but it would make great gift wrapping ribbon. It's a really good weight and thickness if you like to make fancy birthday gifts. So you could wrap your birthday gift with the matching ribbon. So option 1 includes 5 make and takes, full color PDF, the bundle, and the bolt of ribbon, which in option 1, you're getting the ribbon completely free. And this option is $58. That includes everything you see plus the PDF. Now, the second option is for those of you that already own the Broadway birthday bundle. If you already own this, maybe you're a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you have this already, or maybe you're a customer and this was on one of your first orders from the catalog, then you would want to get option 2. Option 2, again, includes all 5 of the make and takes, cut, scored, prepped, ready for you. It includes the bolt of ribbon and the full color step-by-step PDF. Option 2 is $29. Now, if you're local, you don't need shipping. You can come by and do a porch pickup. But if you aren't local, I also do I add on a $7 priority shipping fee. I ship all my classes priority with tracking. So in case anything happens to it, we can track it down and find it. So those are the first 2 class options. Now, maybe you don't want any of this, but you want the tutorials. That is option 3. I always list my classes in my tutorial store, and it's $15. You're going to get the full PDF, step by step. It lists products used, measurements, everything you need. And that is an immediate download. If you go to my PDF store, when you purchase anything from my PDF store, it is automatically emailed to you within about 5 minutes. Sometimes they get lost in cyberspace, so if it doesn't show up, make sure you shoot me an email and ask me to resend it to you. All right, so that option is $15. Option 4 is for my downline, the Sweet Stampede. They always get my class kits at a large discount. They can register for this kit for $12. Just $12. All right, that if there isn't anything that's going to persuade you to buy that starter kit, getting these fun class kits to go for $12 or $10 really should help you make that choice. All right, so 4 options, including the bundle, not including the bundle, PDF only, and Sweet Stampede. All of these details can be found over on my blog, pinkbuckaroo.com. When you're ready to register, you actually have to email me and ask me for the link. I can't list the registration link for these per Stampin' Up! Policy, so just shoot me an email and say, hey, send me the link, please. Now, the PDF is a direct link. You can purchase that. You can find that Click Now button for the PDF. All right, the deadline to register for this class is August 7th. So don't wait. It's the first week of August, and I will have these in the mail to you by August 14th. All right, guys, I hope you liked this class. I hope you're excited about it. Let me know if you have any questions and email me for that registration link when you're ready. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.